guys, another Friday, another video of nice places to visit in Singapore. Today I'm going to bring you to something very unique, something that I have not shown so far. It's a marina, and it's not Marina Bay when I say marina. It's a place where there are lots and lots of yachts, so I'm very excited to go there. Let's go. So while walking for there, we actually crossed this ropeway as you just saw, and then from Harbourfront Centre you just follow this walking trail and you'll come to this traffic light which you can see in your screens right now. From there we just follow the map that I'm showing you here. So while going you will come across these beautiful condos, and actually our walking trail to the marina is behind this condo that you can look. So when we take a right after this condo that I showed you, this is the walking way. Look at this. What have we come to? The blue skies, amazing waters, this bridge, and those yachts. So that's something that always attracts me. Look at them. There are bum boats, there are beautiful big yachts, small yachts, and that condo in the backdrop is just like icing on the cake. Actually, you can rent these yachts if you really want to. It's not very expensive. The marina is that building over there towards the far end, and this particular jungle float, can you see the jungle float? Basically you can use this to play around when you go into the center, these particular two boats. And there are lots and lots of luxury yachts. Wow, look at the one, the very, very far end, the biggest one. Oh my god. Look into some of the yachts here. And these are all the berths you can see from here. They're all parked very nicely. And when I actually first came here, this was the first marina I ever saw in my life. It was like, wow. Though I don't get the exact feeling today, but once in your life you must see a marina for sure. It's a very different experience compared to a shipyard or something else. It's towards the extreme end of the marina where all the bigger boats usually get docked. More luxurious and more spacious ones. By the way, this little walking trail goes to Labrador Park, so I'll be showing you that too. It's our lucky day. We could see one boat slowly sailing towards the marina. Look at that. This is the one that I told you guys earlier, going towards Labrador Park. That at the extreme end there was Labrador Park, final touch in my video. Look at that. The ships, oil refineries, far there, and oil collection units. Wow guys, the weather is awesome. Isn't that awesome? So guys, if you are new to Singapore, if you are visiting Sentosa or Harbourfront and you want to have some time looking at luxury yachts, this is the place. Does this remind you of Venice, guys? This is amazing. Mr. Yes, can I get a hi for the camera? So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. See you in the next video.